Welcome students, this is my new tutorial based upon OpenOffice Writer. So today I'll be teaching you how to create and apply styles in the document. So first of all, what is style? A style is a set of formats that you can apply. Means it is a type of different kind of formatting. Formatting you could treat like suppose I have selected some text and I am giving it as bold, then italics, then I am coloring it. Suppose I am giving it red color. So these are all the examples of different kind of formatting. So what is the style? It is a combination of different kind of formats applied all together. Okay, so it saves our time. So applying the style means to apply a whole group of formats all together. Now in front of you, when I was doing the formatting, I have to click on different options. Like sometimes I'm clicking on color, then maybe background color, then alignment, bold, italic, underline. Even if I want to change the font, that also. But with the style, it saves my time. So how I can select a style and how can I make my own style? So first of all, you could see here the icon of styles and formatting. Shortcut is F11. So if I'll click on this, you could see here the difference this side. So this is the properties, and if I'll click upon styles and formatting, now here you could see the options of styles. So different styles are available. You could see here paragraph styles, character styles, frame styles, page styles, and list styles. Even you could click on format, and from here also the style option you could change. You could see here, just say styles and formatting. So from here also you could change the option. Again if I'll click it, now style are in front of you. The menu of styles you could see. So let's go with the live example. Suppose I want to change the style. Suppose this style I want to change. So now here I'll click on default, and then let's see, I want to select this complementary paragraph style. I'll click upon this. You could see the difference. There is the difference. I'll change this also. So what I have done manually, I'll change that also. Okay, now it will be easy for you to see the difference. Like complementary I have done, then first line indent, I'll click upon this. You could see the difference here. First line indent, this first line, it is being shifted towards right. This is indent. This is the first line indent. Then hanging indent, you could see the difference. You could see the difference here. Then heading, again you could see the difference. It is little darker. Seems bold option, or maybe the change of font. Heading 1, again the difference. So heading 3, again the difference, then I'll select some what like signature. So you could see the different changes and or different formats I can apply all together within no time. Okay, so now let's see about character styles. So firstly, suppose this text I'll be selecting. Second, suppose I am selecting emphasis. You could see the change. Okay, then again the change is there. Now this is based upon character style. Suppose I want to select some character here. I'm selecting this, and I'll do some changes. Now you could see the change. Only this character style means only these characters I have applied the change. I'll select suppose this page styles. Then I'll click on just see the difference. It is a kind of a superscript. Okay. So superscript means the text selected text goes above the baseline. So then different styles are there, frame styles, page style. Suppose this is the default end note. Wait a little bit, I'll decrease the size of the page. So let's say from where I have done zoom, so let it be, we can make it to 75%. I think that will be okay. So now from here page style like envelope, you could see the style is being changed. It is like envelope, footnote. So different type of style, different type of formattings is being applied directly. So now last one is list style. So if I apply this one, I'll change the zoom option once again. This seems okay for me. Now I'll do the last one, list. So I'll select the list, means this bullets are numbering. You could see here the changes. Just see the bullets is being changed. Again I'll select list 2. Now see again the changes are there. List 3, changes are there. So I hope it is clear to you how to use styles. Now I'll teach you that how can you make your own style. So how you will do it? So dear students, I'll be teaching you how to create your own style. So firstly, for making your own style, you have to select paragraph styles, and then after selecting the paragraph styles, from here you have to click on new style from selection. So new style from selection, you will click, and here suppose I'm giving the name like example style. Suppose I have given example style 9. Then I'll come back and I'll find where my style is. It might be this is here. Okay, so now I'll right click and I'll click on modify. Click on modify. You could see here. Now I want to do some changes. Okay, alignment. Suppose I want to make it okay, justify. I hope you know enter text is equal or aligned from both the sides. Then font, I want to select like okay, this font is okay. This is just like a running head. Now I want to make it some changes. Suppose I want to make it bold. Okay, and then I want to then select some effects from font effects. Font color, suppose I want to select red, and then underline I want to go with double. Underline color I want to select like blue, and then some background color also I can select, suppose light yellow. Okay, so you could see here this text was selected and my style is been applied on that selected text. Again I'll show you. Suppose I'll select this and I'll select my style from here, which just now I had made. Like this is my example style. I'll click on it. You could see here the style is being applied. Okay, so I hope you have learned how to apply your own style, how to create your own style, and you could make it out that I have applied the set of different formats in a single style, because the style which I have created just now, I have applied even different font I have applied. Then even I changed the background color, and even I have given the underline of blue color. So that is the advantage of using style. Along with this, there is the option of fill format mode. So I can select some style from here. Suppose default. I'll select this, and then if I'll select like this, you could see here the changes is been done. How I'm doing it, again I'll show you. And now this time I'll select example just now which I had made. I'll select this. Okay, so whichever style I'll select, and this is already been selected, fill format mode. Now if I'll click anything like this, I have to press left mouse button, and if I'll drag it like this, just see the difference. So I hope the use of fill format mode is also clear to you. So for today I'm closing my tutorial. So till then, bye. Please practice this. So in few days I'll be back with a new tutorial.